How to Create and Write Your Own Success is 2 decades of exploration, exploitation, and expansion of grassroots knowledge that Dr. Esther June Chongwan had researched and finally authored the book titled The Dual Merit Holders, which is available online at Amazon. One of the prominent members of the Khasi Authors Society and Deputy Chief Academic Officer of the Meghalaya Board of School Education, Dr. Esther June Chongwan, had written the creative non-fiction book The Dual Merit Holders, which was released on the 23rd of July 2021 at Mela Ai Hall, Golf Links in Shillong. The occasion was graced by Minister of Arts and Culture A.L. Hek as chief guest in the presence of the former Dean and Head School of Education, Professor S. Sungo, the Dean of Humanities, Northeastern Hill University, and also chairperson at the function, Professor Dr. Streamlet Dakhar, Director of MBOS, M. Marbanyang, besides other academic luminaries of the state. In his speech after the book release, A.L. Heg recalled his childhood memories at Panthor Umkhra with Dr. Esther June Chongwan and expressed his delight at her academic achievements and lauded her efforts in authoring a book that would be beneficial to the students of the state.
Launching a book, short while ago we launched this book, The Dual Merit Holders, written by Dr. Esther Chongwan. I'm very happy when she had met me and she told me she wanted the book to be launched by me. I very, very happy and a day, and I told her, tell me the time, date and when. I'm ready to launch your book. Because we have been together right from the childhood. She is also like my sister. We are born and grew up in the same locality, and I'm very happy today she's become a doctor. I never expect that. My own way that we are playing basketball, playing the badminton together, but today it will be take them to the greater heights. So I once again congratulations to you for like an eye-opener to all the young minds to take up this book and ready to prepare themselves for the future endeavor.
The 20 years of experience with different levels of learning and formal education had motivated Dr. Esther June Chongwan to write a book on the benchmark of success in institutional examinations. Although the book is equipped with factual data of the learning community of the state, it also contains enormous amounts of creative intervention of her personal encounters and knowledge about the learning network, the influence of learning environment in academic performances, core study skills, comprehension of the past and present trends in the application for scoring pattern with simple and effective keys to academic wellness and success.
Fiction book. So, and the category of this book is a creative non-fiction. So this is the type of book. Like Sir said, I remember when I met him, he told me about his book and I said, what category your book is? So he said, I am now still exploring what category it is. So then I remember this book is a creative non-fiction. It is a non-fiction book because it is based on data, actual data, but it is in a creative field, not entirely non-fiction, but it is done in a creative way.
Thank you.
Others who spoke on the occasion were Professor Sungo and Rahul Chatterjee, while the vote of thanks was proposed by Ruben C. Chongwan.